Hi, this is Chris for Boatshed Essex on board the Rampart we have listed, just with a short exterior video to give you a feel for the outside. So we're obviously standing at the stem looking aft. We'll go for a wander. The owner spent some considerable resources and time updating and refitting this really lovely boat. Anyway, let's have a walk down here. This aft section's covered over, makes a really useful extra area for living accommodation, and there's plenty of stowage in there as well under some of the locker areas. Just finished the video walking along the port side deck. People have politely left their shoes off.
Okay, container ashore. Yeah.
Which I shall just throw on the boat.